Cycling is one of the most effective, enjoyable, and low-impact exercises you can incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking to make small changes for a healthier lifestyle, cycling for just half an hour every day can work wonders for your body and mind. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll dive into the incredible benefits of cycling, from physical transformations to mental well-being. So, hop on your bike and let's get started. Physical benefits of cycling. 1. Enhanced cardiovascular health. Cycling is a fantastic way to boost your heart health. By pedaling consistently for 30 minutes a day, you engage your cardiovascular system, improving blood circulation, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of heart-related diseases. Regular cycling strengthens your heart muscles, making them more efficient in pumping blood and oxygen throughout your body. 2. Muscle toning and strength building. Cycling targets major muscle groups, including your calves, thighs, glutes, and even your core. Over time, daily cycling helps tone these areas, increasing muscle strength and endurance. Unlike high-impact exercises, cycling minimizes strain on your joints while still providing a full-body workout. 3. Weight loss and fat reduction. Cycling is a calorie-burning powerhouse. Depending on your speed and intensity, you can burn anywhere from 200 to 500 calories in just 30 minutes. This consistent calorie burn contributes to fat loss, especially when combined with a balanced diet. Over weeks and months, cycling can lead to noticeable weight loss and a leaner physique. 4. Improved joint mobility. Unlike running or other high-impact activities, cycling is gentle on your joints. The circular motion helps lubricate the knee and hip joints, reducing stiffness and improving mobility. This makes cycling an excellent option for individuals recovering from injuries or those with arthritis. 5. Boosted immune system. Daily cycling has been shown to strengthen your immune system by promoting the production of essential white blood cells. Regular exercise like cycling enhances your body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses, keeping you healthier year-round. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content that motivates you to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Mental benefits of cycling. 1. Stress reduction. Cycling isn't just great for your body, it's also a powerful stress reliever. The rhythmic motion of pedaling, coupled with the release of endorphins, helps reduce stress levels. Whether you're cycling through scenic routes or in your neighborhood, the activity provides a meditative escape from daily worries. 2. Enhanced mood and mental clarity. Cycling stimulates the release of feel-good hormones like serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters play a key role in improving your mood and mental clarity. A daily half-hour ride can leave you feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle the day. 3. Better sleep quality. Regular physical activity, such as cycling, contributes to improved sleep patterns. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. This is especially beneficial for individuals dealing with insomnia or irregular sleep schedules. 4. Increased confidence and self-esteem. As you notice improvements in your fitness, strength, and overall well-being, cycling can boost your self-confidence. Accomplishing daily rides, whether short or long, reinforces a sense of achievement and pride in your efforts. 5. Mental resilience and focus. Cycling requires concentration and coordination, which helps sharpen your focus and mental resilience. The discipline of maintaining a daily habit also carries over to other areas of your life, promoting productivity and mental toughness. Health benefits you may not know. 1. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Cycling regularly can lower your risk of developing chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and even some forms of cancer. By keeping your body active, you improve metabolic functions and reduce inflammation, key factors in disease prevention. 2. Enhanced digestive health. The gentle motion of cycling stimulates the digestive system, improving gut health and reducing the risk of constipation or bloating. Daily cycling also supports better nutrient absorption and metabolism. 3. Hormonal balance. For both men and women, cycling can positively influence hormonal health. It helps regulate insulin levels, improve thyroid function, and support overall hormonal balance, contributing to better energy levels and mood stability. Tips for effective daily cycling. Choose the right bike. Make sure your bike is the right fit for your height and comfort. Warm up and cool down. Stretching before and after cycling can prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your ride. Maintain proper posture. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed for optimal comfort and efficiency. Set realistic goals. Start with shorter rides and gradually increase your intensity and distance. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on staying active and healthy. The environmental impact of cycling. 1. Reduced carbon footprint. By choosing to cycle instead of driving, you contribute to a cleaner environment. Cycling produces zero emissions and reduces your reliance on fossil fuels, making it an eco-friendly transportation choice. 2. Less traffic congestion. If more people adopted cycling as a daily habit, urban areas would experience less traffic congestion, leading to quieter, more livable cities. 3. Promoting green lifestyles. Cycling encourages sustainable living. It's not just about personal health but also about fostering a healthier planet for future generations. Cycling as a lifestyle. Incorporating cycling into your daily routine is more than just exercise. It's a lifestyle choice. Whether you use it for commuting, leisure, or fitness, the benefits extend far beyond physical health. Cycling fosters community connections, helps you explore your surroundings, and provides a sense of freedom unmatched by other activities. Join our cycling community by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing for more health and fitness content. Conclusion. Cycling for half an hour every day is one of the simplest and most rewarding habits you can develop. From transforming your body to enhancing your mind and even benefiting the environment, the impact of this daily practice is profound. So, why wait? Grab your bike, hit the road, and start pedaling your way to a healthier, happier life.